The PGE Smart Thermostat program is an easy way to get rewards, stay in control of your comfort, and contribute to a clean energy future. Here's how it works. PGE calls a peak time event on certain days when energy demand is high. You'll see a message on your smart thermostat or mobile app and receive an email notifying you when the event starts. PGE then sends a signal to your thermostat to pre-cool or preheat your home, depending on the season of course, when demand for energy is lower, and then automatically adjusts it by 1 to 3 degrees during the event. Each event can last between 1 and 4 hours. And when the event is over, your thermostat goes back to its regular setting. You don't have to do a thing. Shifting your energy use away from peak times has never been easier. Rest assured, you're always in control of your comfort and can override changes if you need to. Just participate in half of the events each season. Together, small changes in when we use energy add up to something bigger, like helping use more sustainable energy resources. Now that's an Oregon kind of energy. Learn more at portlandgeneral.com/thermostat and join PGE's Smart Thermostat program today.